Dear friends, I am Dr. Jai Singh, Associate Professor, Department of English Literature, the English and Foreign Languages University. I am here to introduce the course Shakespeare to Milton, a study of British literature. This course is meant for BA students and BA honors students, and this course is quite significant at the graduation level. Why? Because if you want to pursue your studies in literature at your post graduation level, it will be a great help in any competitive examination. Minimum 10% questions come from this particular slot, that is Elizabethan to Puritan age. And when we talk about this course will include the writers from Shakespeare, university wits, then Jacobean writers, then metaphysical poets, and then puritanical poets with special focus on John Milton. William Shakespeare belongs to the Elizabethan age, and our last author, that is John Milton, belongs to Puritan age. Both these ages are opposite to each other in a very subtle manner, and there are so many other conventions that comes in between. Shakespeare, when he was writing his plays and he made fun of puritanical tendencies, he did not know that in another 50 years or so, England will be dominated by puritanical tendencies. When I discuss the dimensions of this course will start with descriptions of literary background of the age starting from Elizabethan age to the Puritan age. We will move from university wits to Shakespeare, from Shakespeare to Jacobean drama, from Jacobean drama to metaphysical poetry of John Donne, from metaphysical poetry to the epics and the poetry of John Milton. From each age, from each convention, we will choose 2 to 3 writers, we will discuss them, and there will be comprehensive study of the selected works. For example, we will discuss major tragedies, histories and romances by Shakespeare. Then we will discuss John Webster's Duchess of Malfi from Jacobean drama. Then we will move on to metaphysical age, and we will discuss the poems by John Donne and how John Donne influenced his own age. Then we will move on to the Commonwealth age and the Puritanical age, which is represented by John Milton, and we will discuss John Milton's poetry, prose and his most famous epic Paradise Lost. And we will do the long answer type questions, short answer type questions and objective types during our course. It will be a comprehensive study, and it will surely help you in cracking the competitive examinations as well as getting a comprehensive idea of this entire age, Elizabethan to Puritan age. I wish maximum number of people should join this course, so that you can benefit from this course during your graduation, post graduation, and while you are seeking jobs through competitive examinations. So, thank you friends.